Welcome to a modern bread and bakery manufacturing factory. Today, we'll explore the complete journey of how simple wheat flour is transformed into fresh and fluffy bread that millions enjoy every day. The process begins when trucks deliver large bags of wheat flour to the factory unloading zone. Workers open the bags, and the flour enters stainless steel silos for safe storage. From there, the flour passes through an industrial sifting machine to remove lumps, dust, and impurities. Next, the flour moves to a large mixing chamber. Here, water, yeast, sugar, salt, and oil are added in precise amounts. A heavy-duty industrial mixer blends everything together to create a smooth and elastic dough. The dough is then transferred to a kneading machine, where rollers stretch and press it to develop perfect gluten strength. After kneading, the dough is sent to fermentation tanks, where it rests under controlled temperature and humidity. This resting stage helps the dough rise and gives the bread its soft texture. Once fermentation is complete, the dough moves toward the sheeting area. Powerful rollers flatten the dough into evenly thick sheets. A cutting machine then divides the dough into equal portions, ensuring every loaf is identical in size. These dough balls enter a rounding machine that shapes them into smooth balls. The dough balls are placed on trays and then moved into a proofing chamber. Inside, warm and humid air helps the dough rise again before baking. Next comes the shaping section. Machines gently fold and roll the dough balls into the classic loaf shape. Workers perform a quick inspection to ensure consistency and quality. Now the loaves are ready for baking. They travel into a long tunnel oven where precise heat levels bake the dough evenly. Inside the oven, the dough rises beautifully and slowly turns golden brown. Fresh bread loaves emerge from the oven and move along a cooling conveyor. Cooling fans blow air across the loaves to bring down the temperature and maintain the ideal crust and softness. After cooling, the bread enters the slicing machine. High-speed blades cut each loaf into perfectly uniform slices within seconds. The sliced bread then travels to the packaging section. Automatic bagging machines pack the bread slices into airtight plastic bags. A heat sealer closes each bag securely to keep the bread fresh. A coding machine prints the manufacturing and expiry date on every pack. Next, robotic arms place the packaged bread into cardboard boxes. A box sealing machine tapes each carton tightly before sending it to the shipping area. Finally, forklifts load the bread cartons into delivery trucks. These trucks transport the fresh bread to supermarkets and stores across the region. From simple wheat flour to soft, delicious bread, this modern bakery factory uses advanced machinery and strict hygiene to produce quality bread trusted by millions every single day.